Kanama VersaPump 2-in-1 Waterproof Aerator and Vacuum Sealer. User Guide: Underwater Oxygen Supply Mode. This mode requires two accessories, the float ball intake tube and the air stone. First, install the float ball intake tube onto the air pump's intake port. Then, install the air stone. Turn on the air pump switch. Place it in water to use. External oxygen supply mode. First, remove the dust prevention module and the foam float ball from the top of the float ball intake tube, keeping only the hose and the dust prevention module. Connect the thinner end of the hose to the air pump's outlet. Connect the thicker end to the air stone. Then, install the dust prevention module onto the air pump's intake port. Turn on the air pump switch. Place the air stone in water to use. For external use, you can directly hang the pump on the aquarium using the hook on the back. Alternatively, install the suction cup accessory. Attach it to any smooth surface. When the battery is low, but emergency use is needed, you can use it while charging. Vacuum pump mode. First, place the food into a food-grade sealing bag. Pinch the seal tightly. Turn on the air pump switch. Install the vacuum suction cup accessory. Align the suction cup with the check valve on the sealing bag and wait 10 to 15 seconds. Don't worry if there is water in the bag. The air pump will automatically discharge excess water from the air outlet. The vacuum process is now complete. This concludes the full tutorial for this product. For purchases or related inquiries, please visit the official Kanama website. Thank you for watching.